So let's look at page 15 on the fourth page here, 1124. It's called group factoring. And so they have several factors, and we want to try to find a common factor as a parentheses, though, a binomial that we can take out. So I'm looking at this one, and I see that this part right here has this 5x minus 4, and this second part, see the separation by the plus here, second part also has 5x minus 4, all right? So if I take that out, 5x minus 4, then I'm left with x minus 1/2 plus x plus 1/4. Okay? So then the last step is, I'd leave this out front as a parentheses, but now you're going to simplify this. It's a little bit easier since this is plus, so we can put the two x's together and get one term, and then add negative 1/2 plus positive 1/4, and so it's going to be minus something, okay? And so you're going to end up with two parentheses in your final answer. So you go ahead and finish that one, but then let's look at this one over here. We're going to kind of divide it in half here and look at just this first part and say, is there a common factor that I can take out of both of those? And I see a 4 would come out of both of these, and I can take a out of both of them. So just factoring that out of these two, I'm left with a plus 5. Okay? Now if I just look at these two, I see that there's a negative 3 that I can factor out of both of these. You see that? So I'd get a and 5, but be careful here. What sign needs to go there? If I put a negative here, because I see a negative there, but when I do this distributive property, you see, that would make that positive. So in order for this to stay negative, I need to put plus 5 here, and that's actually a good thing, because now I have this common factor, a plus 5. So I can pull that out front in parentheses, and then take what's left and put these two together into the second parentheses. Now, the score key does mention that if you have these two quantities, even if you have them reversed, remember we call that the commutative property. So if these two things are, it doesn't matter which order you put them in, as long as you have both of those factors, you have the right answer. Not nearly as many to do on this lesson as there was on the previous page, but hopefully you can tackle these on some scrap paper and get the right answers.